So these are potential questions that you could be asked on a GCSE higher paper for inverse functions. So we have the function of f of x, which is 3x plus 1, and g of x, which is 2 lots of x squared minus 3. We want to find the value of f of negative 1x. So that's the inverse function. So we can start off by writing y is equal to 3x plus 1. That's our original function. A function is just a graph. What we're going to do is swap over the x and the y value. So we have x is equal to 3y plus 1. And to find the inverse, we need to rearrange this to make y the subject. So we have x minus 1 is equal to 3y. We divide both sides by 3. We have x minus 1 all over 3 is equal to y. So our inverse function is x minus 1 over 3. For b, this time we're focusing on the g of x function. So we can write y is equal to 2x squared minus 3. And this time we're going to swap the x and the y's over again. And we're going to rearrange to give y the subject. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. So we get x plus 3 that equals 2y squared. We're now going to divide by 2 on both sides. And we get x plus 3 all over 2 is equal to y squared. And then the inverse of squaring is the square root. So we have the square root of x plus 3 over 2 is equal to y, which means our function g of negative 1x, so the inverse function of g, is equal to the square root of x plus 3 over 2.